Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Dasher with DoorDash, you know how crucial it is to keep track of your earnings on your DasherDirect card. In this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to check your balance so you can stay on top of your finances without any hassle. Whether you're dashing for groceries or meals, this will save you time and stress. Let's dive right in. First things first, the easiest way to check your DasherDirect balance is through the mobile app. Make sure you have the latest version installed on your phone. DoorDash updates their app regularly for better security and features in 2025. Open the app, log in with your Dasher account credentials, and look for the Wallet or Balance tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and voila! You'll see your current balance displayed prominently. It's that straightforward. If you don't have the app handy, don't worry. You can also check your balance online. Head over to the DasherDirect website using your phone or computer. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button, enter your username and password, and navigate to the dashboard. There, you'll find a clear section showing your available funds. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication for added security, as that's a key update in 2025 to protect your earnings. Another option is calling the customer service line. Dial the number on the back of your card, follow the automated prompts, and enter your card details when asked. This method is great if you're not near a device, but it might take a bit longer. Remember, in 2025, DoorDash has made this process even faster with voice recognition tech. One more thing. If you're having trouble, double-check that your card is linked correctly to your Dasher account. Sometimes, a simple refresh or logging out and back in fixes glitches. Always keep an eye on transaction history to spot any discrepancies early. There you have it, folks. Checking your DasherDirect balance is quick and easy with these steps. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DoorDash tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy dashing in 2025.